Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to add animated text to Instagram Reels videos. Instagram allows its users to animate their text and make Reels videos stand out. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Then select the Reel option on the bottom menu. Once the camera screen opens, record a video or upload it from your camera roll. Hit the text icon and type in your text. After that, find the animation icon at the top of the screen and press on it. Choose the text font you like. You can also change the text color by clicking on the spectrum icon at the top of the screen. Once you're happy with your text, click Done in the upper right corner. Now you may place your text anywhere on the screen. What is more, you can use filters, add stickers, or draw something on your video if you want. As soon as your video is ready, tap the arrow button and share your video to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to add animated text to Instagram Reels videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.